In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a link on Reddit. Whether you're highlighting an article, a helpful resource, or something fun you found online, this simple process will help your post reach the right community. Start by copying the link you want to share. You can grab it from your browser's address bar or use the share option in an app. Make sure the link opens correctly in a new tab so you know it's valid. If the URL includes extra tracking bits at the end, you can remove them for a cleaner look, but that's optional. Next, head over to Reddit, either on the website or through the mobile app. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're signed in to your account so you can create a post and choose a community. Once you're on Reddit, click the Create Post button. On desktop, you'll usually find it near the top of your home feed or on the sidebar. In the app, look for the plus icon or a similar Create option. This opens the post editor where you'll set everything up. Here, choose the type of post. If your goal is to share a website directly, pick the link option. This is best for external content and often generates a preview with a headline or image. If you want to add more context or a discussion along with your link, choose Post, which lets you write a text post and include the link inside the body. Either way works, it just depends on how you want the information to appear. Paste your link into the field provided. Give it a second to load any available preview. Double-check that there are no spaces or extra characters at the front or end of the URL. Add a clear, descriptive title. A good title tells people exactly what they'll find when they click through. Keep it concise, avoid clickbait, and, if relevant, mention the source or the main takeaway. Many communities have title rules, so clear and honest is always the safest choice. Select a subreddit that fits your content. You can use the drop-down or search for a community by name. Think about where your link will be most useful or interesting. It's worth glancing at a community's rules so your post follows any guidelines about link sharing. When everything looks right, click Post. Take a moment to review your preview and title, then publish. Your link is now live and ready for the community to see and discuss. That's all it takes to share a link on Reddit quickly and effectively.